Good evening. Welcome to Prestige Worldwide. It is April 26, 2020. We've got a personal break here for Michael B. His 2020 Leaf Draft Premium Football Hobby Blaster Box. Good luck, Michael. Here we go. Hopefully we get to something nice here, Michael. I should have took a drink of my lemonade here in between, but I'll make it. All right. Here we go, Michael. Jordan Love, Yellow All-American. Ronnie Lott, Flashback. Higgins, All-American. Simmons, Yellow. Chenault, All-American. Fromm, Touchdown. Hurts, Yellow, Touchdown. Dobbins, Touchdown. Aaron Rodgers, Flashback. Mack, Yellow. Taylor, Yellow. Jerry Rice, Flashback. Burrow, Touchdown. King, Eason, All-American. Swift, Yellow, Touchdown. Ooh. Jordan Love, All-American. Deion Sanders, Flashback. Jerry Jeudy, Yellow. Hurts, Touchdown. Ruggs, Touchdown. Johnson, Yellow. Swift, Touchdown. Herbert, All-American. Taylor, Yellow, All-American. And on to the second half. Higgins, Touchdown. Hurts, All-American. Murray, Yellow. Taylor, All-American. Ronnie Lott, Yellow, Flashback. Jeudy, Touchdown. Davis, Yellow. Butkus, Flashback. Johnson, Yellow. Lamb, All-American. Burrow, All-American. Chenault, Yellow, All-American. Johnson, Touchdown. Dobbins, Yellow, Touchdown. Chenault, Touchdown. Jefferson, Touchdown. Dobbins, Yellow. Swift, All-American. Dobbins, All-American. Herbert, Yellow. Diggs, Yellow. Jeudy, All-American. Eason, Touchdown. CeeDee Lamb, Touchdown. John Elway, Flashback. Jerry Rice, Yellow, Flashback. Tua, Touchdown. Emmitt Smith, Flashback. Rodgers, Yellow. Vaughn and Stanley. All right, here you go, Mike. Coming at you with the autos. First up, we've got Kyle Duggar. Kyle Duggar auto. Then we have Cesar Ruiz, big lineman, first rounder. Cesar Ruiz. And then we have Michael Pittman Jr. Beautiful auto on there. Michael Pittman Jr. So there's your box. Thanks for working with us as always. Have a good night.